In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set a video as your wallpaper on iPhone. You have to have TikTok for this to work though. So yeah, just download that and you're able to do this. So let's say I want to have this quick video I just recorded as my wallpaper. So what you want to do is you want to open up TikTok, click on the plus, click on upload, select this video right here, click on next again, next again, and make sure to select who can view this video to put it on friends or private, but you're probably just gonna put it on private, and then click on post, and this will post it to your TikTok just like this. And when we refresh it a bit, or oh wait, no, it is on this tab right here, on the private tab. As you can see, the video is right here. And what we want to do is we want to click on this, on these three dots right here. And we can just download the video just like this, but we want to download it as a live photo. So click on that, and now it says converting into a live photo. And it says live photo saved successfully. When we're in our photos again, you can see that the most recent, it is a photo, but if you click on it like this, it will be a live photo. So what we want to do is we want to click on the share button right here, scroll a bit down, and then click on use as wallpaper right here. And when we click on that, the wallpaper is like this, and when we long hold it, as you can see, it will play as a live video. And then just click on set, let's say set both, and when we go back and we the live video is now changed our video. So that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.